Welcome. If you're looking to cut down on distractions and focus better while using LinkedIn on your PC, disabling in-app notifications for messages is a quick and effective solution. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these notifications using the latest LinkedIn update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture labeled as Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main settings page, where you can control everything from your account preferences to your notification settings. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Notifications. This section is where you can manage all types of alerts LinkedIn sends you, including emails, push notifications, and in-app messages. Now, scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Messaging. Click on it to expand the options related to messages you receive on LinkedIn. Within the Messaging section, look for Messages. Here, you'll see different types of notifications you can toggle on or off. To stop receiving in-app notifications for messages, simply switch the toggle next to In-app Notifications to the off position. That's it. You've now disabled in-app notifications for messages on LinkedIn. This means you won't see the notification pop-ups or badges for new messages while you're browsing LinkedIn on your computer, helping you stay focused and interruption-free. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you decide you want to turn notifications back on in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a quieter LinkedIn experience.